Hey there, movie fans! Get ready to embark on a fascinating journey through the evolution of cinema. We're about to explore how technology has shaped and continues to reshape the world of filmmaking. From its humble beginnings to the cutting-edge advancements of today, the story of movies is inextricably linked to the story of innovation. We all love a good movie, right? That shared experience of sitting in a darkened theater, completely engrossed in the story unfolding on the screen. The smell of popcorn, the collective gasps and cheers, it's a unique and powerful form of entertainment. That feeling of being transported to another world, a world of fantasy, adventure, or even a reflection of our own lives, but amplified and dramatized. It's a temporary escape from reality, a chance to lose ourselves in the narratives crafted by talented storytellers, of laughing and crying with characters on screen, feeling their joys and sorrows as if they were our own. That emotional connection is what makes movies so impactful and memorable. It's the reason we keep coming back for more. It's magic, pure, unadulterated movie magic. But what exactly goes into creating that magic? It's not just about talented actors and compelling scripts, but did you know that movie magic has always been about using new technology? The evolution of film is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. Each technological leap has opened up new possibilities for filmmakers, allowing them to tell stories in ways that were previously unimaginable. From the first moving pictures, those flickering images that captured the imagination of audiences over a century ago. These early pioneers laid the foundation for the cinematic art form we know and love today. To talking films, the introduction of synchronized sound revolutionized the industry, adding a whole new dimension to storytelling. Suddenly, characters could speak, sing, and interact with each other in a way that felt incredibly real. Color bursting onto the scene and transforming the visual landscape of cinema. The world went from black and white to vibrant hues, adding depth and realism to the stories being told. Special effects pushing the boundaries of what's possible on screen. From practical effects to CGI, these techniques have allowed filmmakers to create fantastical creatures, breathtaking landscapes, and mind-bending action sequences. And now, artificial intelligence. The latest frontier in filmmaking technology, poised to revolutionize every aspect of the industry. That's right, AI is changing Hollywood as we speak. From script writing to visual effects, AI is already making its mark, and its influence is only going to grow in the years to come. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because the ride is just beginning, because we're diving into the future of film, a future where artificial intelligence plays an increasingly important role in shaping the stories we see on screen. Get ready to explore the exciting and sometimes unsettling possibilities that lie ahead. Remember the golden age of Hollywood? Back in the day, it was all about big studios, powerful directors, and those glamorous movie stars. You know, folks like Cary Grant, Marilyn Monroe, and James Dean. Becoming a star took talent, charisma, and maybe a little bit of luck. Writers spent months, even years, crafting screenplays. Directors meticulously planned each shot. And those talented actors, they poured their hearts into every scene. It was a different world. Fast forward to 2025. Things are changing faster than ever in Tinseltown. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's changing how movies are made. We're talking about AI writing scripts, creating digital actors, and even helping directors make decisions. Remember those long hours spent on special effects? AI can now do it faster and often better. It's like having a superpowered assistant on set. Hold on to your popcorn, get comfortable in your seats, and prepare to witness a seismic shift in the world of filmmaking. The landscape is changing, the rules are being rewritten, and the very definition of a film crew is about to undergo a radical transformation. We're not just talking about minor tweaks or incremental improvements. We're talking about a fundamental reimagining of how movies are made. Because things are about to get really interesting. The traditional hierarchies, the established roles, the time-honored processes, all are being challenged by a force that's both exhilarating and, for some, a little unsettling. Artificial intelligence. This isn't a distant future scenario. It's happening right now, on sets and in editing rooms across the globe. Imagine this. A world where the creative process is augmented, accelerated, and even in some cases initiated by intelligent machines, an AI program that can write a screenplay overnight, not just any screenplay, but one tailored to specific audience preferences, genre conventions, and even individual actor strengths. Think of the possibilities: personalized entertainment, niche content creation, and a dramatic reduction in the time and cost associated with script development. Or how about an AI that can create a digital version of your favorite actor, a perfect replica that can perform any role at any age without ever aging or tiring, so they can keep making movies forever? The ethical implications are vast, the creative potential is staggering, and the impact on the acting profession is undeniable. We're entering an era where the line between reality and simulation is becoming increasingly blurred. Sounds crazy, right? Like something straight out of a science fiction film. But that's the reality we're facing. The tools are here, the technology is advancing at an exponential rate, and the film industry is beginning to embrace these innovations in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Some directors are even using AI, not to replace their creative vision, but to enhance it, to help them make decisions about camera angles and editing, analyzing countless hours of footage, identifying patterns, and suggesting optimal cuts to maximize emotional impact and storytelling efficiency. It's like having a digital Steven Spielberg by your side, a tireless, objective collaborator that can provide insights and suggestions that might otherwise be missed. The rise of the new film crew is upon us, and it's powered by the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are robots going to steal all the jobs in Hollywood? It's a valid concern. With AI taking on more tasks, what happens to the writers, the makeup artists, the stunt performers? The truth is, some jobs might change. But remember, every technological revolution creates new opportunities. We'll need people to program these AIs, to train them, and to work alongside them. Like everything else, AI in Hollywood has its pros and cons. On the one hand, it can help filmmakers create things that were previously impossible. We're talking about breathtaking special effects, realistic digital actors, and maybe even entirely new genres of film, but there are also downsides. Will AI make movies feel less human, less emotional? And what about the risk of losing that creative spark that only humans can provide? It's a debate that's just heating up. Here's something exciting to consider. AI could make filmmaking more accessible than ever before. Imagine a world where anyone with a good story and an AI assistant can make a movie. No need for massive budgets or Hollywood connections. This could lead to a boom in independent films and give a voice to stories and storytellers who have been traditionally marginalized. Pretty cool, right? Let's face it, one of the big questions about AI in Hollywood is, can a digital actor ever truly replace a human one? Can an algorithm capture the nuances of emotion, the spark of charisma, the sheer presence of a movie star? Technology is improving rapidly, and soon we might not be able to tell the difference between a real actor and their digital counterpart. But will it feel the same? That's a question for the audience to decide. The landscape of Hollywood is ever-shifting, a constant dance between tradition and innovation. We're at a fascinating crossroads, witnessing the rise of artificial intelligence and its potential impact on the film industry. But amidst all the technological advancements and evolving trends, one question lingers in the air. So, what's the verdict? With the increasing sophistication of AI, capable of generating scripts, creating realistic visuals, and even mimicking human performances, it's natural to wonder about the future of actors and other creative professionals. Are we on the verge of a paradigm shift where machines replace human talent? Will the red carpets of tomorrow be graced by digital avatars instead of flesh and blood stars? Is this the end of human actors in Hollywood? The short answer, at least for now, is a resounding no. While AI undoubtedly presents new challenges and opportunities, it's crucial to remember that the heart of filmmaking lies in human creativity and storytelling. The magic of cinema is not solely dependent on technical prowess, but on the ability to connect with audiences on an emotional level. I don't think so. AI is not a replacement for human talent. It's a tool, a powerful instrument that can augment and enhance the creative process. Think of it as a digital paintbrush, capable of creating stunning visuals and effects that were once unimaginable. AI is a tool. It can streamline workflows, automate tedious tasks, and open up new avenues for experimentation. From pre-visualization to post-production, AI has the potential to revolutionize every stage of filmmaking. A powerful one. But ultimately, it's the director, the writer, the actor, and the entire creative team who wield this tool to bring their vision to life. AI can assist in crafting compelling narratives, but it cannot replace the human spark of imagination, but a tool nonetheless. The true essence of cinema lies not in the technology used to create it, but in the stories that are told and the emotions that are conveyed. It's about capturing the human experience, exploring universal themes and sparking conversations that resonate with audiences long after the credits roll. The real magic of movies. It's about crafting characters that we can relate to, narratives that keep us on the edge of our seats, and moments that make us laugh, cry, and reflect on our own lives. Comes from the stories they tell. It's about tapping into the depths of human emotion and creating a shared experience that transcends cultural boundaries and the emotions they evoke. And to achieve that, you need more than just algorithms and code. You need the collaborative spirit of a dedicated film crew, the guidance of a visionary director, and the raw talent of passionate actors. And that's something that it demands the ability to think outside the box, to challenge conventions, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. It requires a willingness to take risks, to experiment with new ideas, and to embrace the unexpected. Human creativity. It calls for a deep commitment to the craft, a relentless pursuit of excellence, and an unwavering belief in the power of storytelling. It's about pouring your heart and soul into every project, knowing that your work has the potential to touch lives and inspire change. Passion. It's that intangible element that separates a good movie from a great one, the ability to create a connection with the audience that goes beyond mere entertainment. And that special something, it's what makes us laugh together, cry together, and feel a sense of shared humanity. It's what makes us believe in the power of cinema to transport us to other worlds, to challenge our perspectives, and to remind us of what it means to be human. That makes us connect with what we see on screen. So, as technology continues to advance and the film industry undergoes further transformations, one thing is certain: Hollywood is evolving. It always has, adapting to new technologies, new trends, and new audience expectations. From the silent era to the age of streaming, Hollywood has consistently reinvented itself while staying true to its core mission, to tell stories that captivate and inspire, just as it always has. The glitz and glamour may change, the special effects may become more sophisticated, but the fundamental principles of good storytelling remain timeless. But one thing remains constant: the ability to craft a narrative that resonates with audiences, that touches their hearts and minds, that leaves them wanting more. The power of a good story. A story that is skillfully crafted, beautifully acted, and expertly directed. A story that stays with you long after you've left the theatre. Well told. So let us embrace the future of filmmaking with open minds and a sense of excitement, knowing that the possibilities are endless. And that, my friends, is something truly special, something worth celebrating, and something definitely worth watching.